Hi, our names are Davin and
Greta.
we will be teaching you how to use Scratch to move the LEGO WEDO Drumming Monkey in 12 easy steps. We found this challenge on activities for LEGO WEDO in Scratch 1.4 Plus by Barb Erickson. You can find it by scrolling to the bottom of the page to see the last build. We added on to this challenge by using the McDonald's tune. We had 7 different backgrounds and 2 sprites with 6 costumes for the dog sprite. The backgrounds were Rio Beach, baseball field, Grand Canyon, Goal 1, Underwater 2, train track, and a party scene that says The End. The sprites were Doug 1 and Cheesy House. We also added animation, so when our program switched scenes, our dog changed into different costumes, and our dog also walked across the screen trying to get to the bowl of Cheesy Puffs. To program this challenge, first built the LEGO WEDO Drumming Monkey. We named him King Kong Banana Ding Dong. Second, we changed our cans on King Kong Banana Ding Dong so he would play a unique and original beat when drumming. Third, we found baby food jars for drums and put them under King Kong Banana Ding Dong's arms for him to drum on. You could also use something hollow such as a can, cup, or bowl turned upside down. Fourth, we learned how to play the McDonald's tune on Scratch. We watched a YouTube video called Easy. McDonald's theme song, piano, and figured out the keys on another website. The order is GABEDBAGG. We went to the Composing Music Scratch Wiki here and looked at the diagram to learn how to program each key. To program these keys on Scratch, first click the brown Events menu and select the When Blank Key Press block. Select 6 of these event blocks. Click the arrow and change each to G, A, B, E, D, 1, 2, and Z. We changed the 2 key to play the G note twice. The reason we did this is because when we pressed the G key twice, it didn't play fast enough. Next, go to the pink sound menu and choose 7 boxes that say Play Note Blank for blank beats. First, we dragged one of those blocks to the G and clicked on the arrow for Play Note Blank. If you run your mouse across the keyboard that pops up, you can select the note you want. Choose G or note 67, then choose 0.5 beats for the block. Repeat all the steps with A, B, E, T, and 1. For 2, put in the second block twice purplish pink box under the When 2 key pressed. Change them to note 67 or G for 0.5 beats. This will make it so the G key plays twice in quick succession. Fifth, we will show you how to create a sprite which switches costumes in time with the notes. If you look below the Scratch screen here, you will see a message that says New Sprite. Go to the first icon that when you hover over it, it says Choose Sprite from Library. We chose Dog 2. Choose the sprite you want to use. Move the dog's body to coordinates X -156 and Y -107. Next, if you go to the top of the Scratch page, you'll see 3 tabs that say Scripts, Costumes, and Sounds. Click on the one that says Costumes. The dog has 3 costumes, A, B, and C. We duplicated each of the costumes once. When you right-click on the sprite, 3 options come up: Duplicate, Delete, and Save to local file. Click duplicate to duplicate the sprite. Do that until there are 3 of costume A, 3 of costume B, and 3 of costume C. Click on each monkey and change the costume however you like by clicking the paint bucket, which means color or shape. Go to the bottom and choose your color and click wherever you like to change the color. To program the dog to change color, whenever you click a note, goes to the 3 tabs on the top and select scrapes. Then go to looks and select 6 switch costumes to blank blocks. Put 1 under each program, including 2. 6. You need to change the backdrop to a background. If you look below your current backdrop, you'll see several icons. Click on the icon that looks like a landscape, and then go to theme and select music and dance. Pick the backdrop that says spotlight slash stage and click OK at the bottom right of the screen. Then you'll see that the white backdrop has now changed to the spotlight slash stage backdrop. Then you will have your first backdrop completed. Then you need to go to the sprite menu and get cheesy puffs. Then you need to put your bowl of cheesy puffs at coordinates x 46 and y negative 120. And that is all you need to do for the bowl of cheesy puffs. 8. You'll learn how to find and create extension blocks to control King Kong Banana Ding Dong's movement. You'll see a lot of new blocks popped up. Go to the Brown Events menu tab and make 6 when blank key pressed events. Pick GABED and 2. Then go back to the More Blocks tab. Select 1 turn motor on and place them under the keys you just created. Then make 2 turn motor on for blank seconds blocks. Then to change the seconds, click the 1 and make it 0.5 seconds for each key except the 2. For H, leave it at 1. 9th will teach you how to create your end backdrop. Click on the backdrop and choose a party backdrop. You can also write by clicking the line below the paintbrush. Select your color and write rewrote the end. Finally, we'll teach you how to reset your program to the initial starting point. Change the backdrop to spotlight slash stage, then go to dog to sprite to program him to change to his original costume. 1 space key press. Go to events, click the 1 space key press block and leave it there. Then go to looks and select the switch costume to blank block and put it under the event and change the costume to whatever dog costume you want to start with. Our final tip is not to play too quickly on the keyboard and wait for the drumming monkey to finish drumming the key, or the monkey will not drum properly. Next, you'll see our program and King Kong Banana Ding Dong in action. Thank you for watching.